How to return item on TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to return an item. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to click on our orders over here on the top left. So we have our navigation over here on the top. So simply click on the orders and simply navigate to the item that you want to return. So for example, this one. So over here, this is where you're going to be able to see all information about your orders. And as you can see here, you actually have the option return items over here. So if you click on return items, there will be an option over here or a pop-up that will explain to you what you need to do, where you could bring the item to. Like it will also tell you what to print, what to attach, or what to write on the delivery parcel or delivery company that you're going to send the products to. So also keep in mind that there is a return window. So for me, as you can see, it closed on July 10. So I can no longer return an item if it's too long. So as you can see, depending on when you received it, there will be a time for that. But anyway, simply click on return items and follow the instructions on how to return it. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.